The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. The great round crane, also known as the The horse is a domesticated, one-toed, hoofed mammal. It belongs to the taxonomic Monkey is a common name that may refer to most mammals of the infraorder Simiiformes. The pig, often called swine, hog, or domestic pig when distinct. A lynx is any of the 4 species within the medium-sized wild. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, Foxes are small to medium-sized, omnivorous mammals belonging to several genera. The Indian peafowl, also known as the common peafowl, and blue peafowl. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. The turkey is a large bird in the genus Meleagris, native to North America. The giant panda, also known as the panda bear, is a bear species endemic to China. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species, with attributes of wild species such as cattle are large, domesticated, cloven-hooved, herbivores. Gulls, or colloquially seagulls, are seabirds of the family Laridae in the suborder Lari. Sheep or domestic sheep are domesticated, ruminant mammals typically kept as livestock. The dog or domestic dog is a domesticated descendant of the wolf. Ostriches are large flightless birds of the genus Struthio and the order Struthionoformes. Rabbits, also known as bunnies or bunny rabbits, are small mammals in the family Leporidae, which also contains the hares. The wolf, also known as the gray wolf or gray wolf, is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. Corvus is a widely distributed genus of medium-sized to large birds in the family. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae, the same family as the horse. The hippopotamus, also called the hippo, common hippopotamus, or river hippopotamus. Gorillas are herbivorous, predominantly ground-dwelling great apes that inhabit the tropical forests of equatorial Africa. Equidae is the taxonomic family of horses and related animals, including the goat or domestic goat is a domesticated species of goat antelope typically kept as livestock. Duck is the common name for numerous species of waterfowl in the family Onotidae. A rhinoceros, commonly abbreviated to rhino, is a member of any of the 5 extant species. The red deer is one of the largest deer species. A male red deer is called a stag or hart. Parrots, also known as pseudocines. The American bison is a species of bison native to North America. Flamingos or flamingos A/FLMIOZ/ are a type of wading bird in the Fish are aquatic, craniate, gill-bearing animals that lack limbs with digits. A camel is an even-toed ungulate in the genus Camelus that bears distinctive fatty deposits known as humps on its back.